Safe haven ways to keep your money secure in this shaky market. Time now for Best Bets. Okay, well, shaky it is. Jonathan, what's your pick here?
Well, Terry, it's not actually even a stock. It's a principal protected note. GBO,
what does that mean?
Well, come February of next year, you're going to get no less than $10 back. The stock's trading about a $10.60 right now. So basically, it's a way to bet on the upside of a basket of exotic currencies like the Singapore dollar, the South Korean won, the Chinese renminbi. So it's like a call option on the securities, but it's principal protected. So you'll get $10 back come February of next year.
Okay, so you're playing sort of on perhaps growth in that part of the world. Peter, what do you think?
Well, I like the idea. I just don't like the pick. You know, I think these structured products are gimmicky. They're laden with fees. They reduce your upside. And, you know, who wants Merrill Lynch as a counterparty? You're better off, Jonathan, with the individual currency ETFs. They got more upside, less downside, and better tax treatment.
But I think that's the whole point. How could somebody, there's not a currency ETF for the South Korean won.
Right.
So how does somebody get that exposure?
Yeah,
well,
okay. Yeah, that is a problem.
But I don't want exposure to Merrill Lynch.
Okay, we don't have time for all that. Peter, what's your play then?
Well, you know, the problem is there is no safe investment in the United States. The dollar is a disaster. It drops almost every day. You got to get out of the dollar first. I like buying conservative, high dividend paying foreign stocks. Most of the ones I buy don't have ADRs. One that does is Telecom New Zealand, NZT. It's got a 9% yield, and the stock is trading at the lowest price it's ever traded.
Right. So conservative, it's down. So conservative, Terry, it's on 50% in the last 6 months. Okay.
Yeah, but
Peter, you love foreign stock, but foreign stocks are getting hurt just like domestic ones are.
Okay,
yeah, but remember, Jonathan, it's undervalued. You get a 9% dividend to wait.
Okay, we got to move on to Jonas's pick here. It's a U.S. stock. What is it?
Oh, it lacks the safety of the Russian ruble and emerging market stocks, but I'm going with Walmart, which is one of the safest U.S. stocks. And right now, you see a lot of people going down to discount retailers, and the stock's been up, the market's been down. I say safe.
Wayne, you like it?
I don't care for it, no, because I think it's flat. I don't say you're coming into some kind of a recession, therefore I don't think Walmart works. I like Leucadia National. I think Leucadia's done a great job. The two guys who run it are terrific. They got a great balance sheet. It's a safe stock, and it's a great thing to have in this economy.
And if they should be able to pick up some bargains here, those two bargain hunters. Jonas, what do you think about this one?
Wayne would be right if the stock was a little cheaper and they had a little less real estate exposure, which is not safe in this market.
All right. Got to leave it there. Thanks, everyone, for joining us. Have a great weekend. All the news is straight ahead.